Hi, I'm Jeff with Wagner. Welcome to our tips and troubleshooting video series. Ever have trouble with your FLEXiO sprayer leaking after you release the trigger? In this video, I'll show you why that happens and how to fix it. A leak can be caused by a damaged or partially clogged nozzle, or an improperly installed nozzle or connecting nut. Here's how it's supposed to look properly installed, with the needle sealing off the nozzle's opening. Before troubleshooting, make sure you unplug the sprayer. To check your nozzle, start by relieving the pressure in the paint cup by unscrewing it a couple of turns. Now remove the air cap and nozzle assembly. Clean all the parts, paying close attention to the inside cone of the nozzle to make sure there isn't a paint clog, but be careful not to remove the red seal when cleaning. Also wipe off the tip of the needle, then inspect all parts for damage like cracks or chips in the nozzle opening. If there's damage, call our technical service team to order replacements. I'll give you the phone number at the end of this video. If there's no damage, reinstall the parts, plug it back in, and test out the sprayer with water. We hope you found this video helpful. For more help, watch our other videos or call the number on your screen. You can also live chat us at wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching.